The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday on this 16th day of June. I think patchy fog could be a problem in some areas this morning on your morning commute. We're tracking thunderstorms here at 4 o'clock in the morning on the radar in this very complicated weather situation. I stood here yesterday morning and told you how we could see some severe storms with damaging winds, and certainly that played out. Some of you got a lot of rain. I had about 2 inches right here. Today is going to be another active weather day where clusters of storms will develop. The question is, where do the clusters develop and what time frame? And that's kind of a tricky subject. I had to bump up the weekend rain chances even on Father's Day. I'll show you that. Plus, the National Hurricane Center is watching the Gulf of Mexico. Even the overnight hours are fair game for thunderstorm development in a situation like this. As I make this in the middle of the night, we're watching thunderstorms popping up across central and south Alabama, and we are in the same weather pattern that produced yesterday's storms. So once again, thunderstorms are a fair game, and we'll be watching for clusters of storms. Much of the southeastern U.S. under a marginal severe weather risk again, and a bigger, stronger risk in the Midwest today. For us, West Central, and South Alabama, under a marginal severe weather risk, that means that damaging wind gusts are certainly possible again. And we'll be watching on future radar as clusters of storms develop and move from the northwest to the southeast. Now, exactly where those clusters of storms will develop, well, that's sort of up in the air, if you'll excuse the pun, and we'll have to watch radar carefully, and we will be. So showers and thunderstorms will be scattered around the area today. Patchy fog is a problem across parts of South Alabama and Central Alabama this morning. Keep that in mind. High temperature today teetering near 90. Tonight's low 73. Tomorrow, more scattered showers and storms, numerous across the area. Not every town gets one, but again, some of those could be on the strong side. And we had to go up on the Sunday rain chances for Father's Day. At least a 50% chance of showers and storms again. So have a plan B ready and be flexible. On Monday, a frontal system comes into the state, and some stronger storms again are possible along the front. We'll watch the radar carefully. GFS shows the front going into South Alabama Tuesday. That remains to be seen. Sometimes fronts stall. We'll see. High temperatures near 90 the next few days with partial sunshine, but respectable rain chances today, tomorrow, Sunday, and even a 40% chance Monday, and more thunderstorms Tuesdays as the front starts to settle into South Alabama. The beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. Sorry, beachgoers, you're going to have to deal with thunderstorms from time to time. Decent chance, 50-50 chance Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with the Gulf water temperature now south of Orange Beach at 81. The National Hurricane Center has identified that area in the Gulf of Mexico with a 50% chance of development near the Yucatan Peninsula and down in the south central Gulf of Mexico. We've been talking about that for several days. The GFS now showing low pressure north of the Yucatan Peninsula on Tuesday night. Very interesting. We'll watch that trend, and the European is now trending more towards the Bay of Campeche, the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. The Canadian model, forget it. It's up there in the northeastern Gulf of It's out to lunch. Download our new weather app, especially in a weather situation like this. It has push notifications for watches and warnings. It sure came in handy yesterday, plus radar and future radar. If you don't have it yet, go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. It is free, and it's good to have. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll be a busy guy again today, tracking the radar as these clusters of storms develop, some of which will become severe. I did a lot of posts yesterday, and there'll be a lot of posts today on Facebook and Twitter, and of course they automatically roll over to your weather app as well. So I hope you have it on your phone, because it's really going to come in handy today. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial. Twice an hour on 8 radio stations. That's the Blue Water family of stations. No video tomorrow. It's Saturday, but it will be another active weather day. And of course, there'll be blog posts for you to keep you up to date on the weather situation. Have a good day today. I'll talk to you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.